is our answer to bring you the perfect electric bike for any journey. It's powerful, durable, and always fun to ride. Whether you want a bike for fun, exercise, or simply get to work. Go ahead and choose your level of assistance from the 5-speed color display, always giving you full control of power. We've also given WOW hydraulic performance disc brakes for quick and effective braking anywhere you go. In addition, with hydraulic suspension, tackling the roughest of terrains has never been easier before. We've paid attention and designed the bike with your fun in mind. And it all comes in a range of cool new colors. And of course, we couldn't forget the USB charger too. WOW is always ready. With its powerful motor and quick shift gears, it makes hard work easy without ever breaking a sweat. WOW is perfect when you want to skip the traffic fast. And thanks to its thicker anti-puncture tires, they make your cruiser feel smooth and comfortable on your daily ride. Simple click to lock, activate, and enjoy your day. Because safety is on us and taken care of. It's an exciting and easy experience for all ages and riding styles. So you can cruise at 20 miles per hour up to 100 miles per single supercharge. Traveling at night? Let's go! With our unique superlights, you'll be the first to be able to do this. When you brake, you brake. Indicate? Yes. Staying visible? Check. You know what? It just makes sense.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about right home? With a smart screen, you can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and get you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
It's a reality.